नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है शॉर्ट एंड हाउस 2.0 यूट्यूब चैनल पर। दोस्तों आज हम डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 28 के आउटलाइन करेंगे और लीगल डिक्टेशन है ये लीगल। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन एप्रोप्रिएट केसेज और इकट्ठा भी लिखो तो इन एप्रोप्रिएट केसेज द कोर्ट फॉर एलिमिनेटिंग एनी सब्जेक्ट का फिक्स वर्ड होता है, उसमें वो लगा देते हैं सब्जेक्टिव एलिमेंट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रेफरेंस विच में रिमेन हिडन इन दी सबकॉन्शियस माइंड या सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इकट्ठा लिखो तो सब कॉन्शियस माइंड एंड में unconsciously affect a proper objective assessment may draw upon the evidence, और अगर डॉट लगाएंगे तो कॉन्फिडेंस बन जाएगा, ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंड also consider the view expressed by reputed or recognized authors of literature on such questions if there be, लाइन काट के बनेगा, if नीचे ज्यादा इस आएगा इसका, if there be any for his own, इकट्ठा बनेगा ये, consideration and satisfaction to enable the court to discharge the duty of making a proper assessment. The commitment to freedom, फेंको आप रखोगे डेट देगा, freedom demands that it cannot be, या डेट में भी जोड़ सकते हैं इसको, cannot be suppressed, that it cannot be suppressed unless the situations created by allowing the freedom are pressing, यहाँ पे प्रेस लिए लगा देना, pressing, and the community interest is endangered, ये जे हाफ रहेगा, endangered the anticipated या फिर anticipated danger should not be remote, conjectural or let detached, या पूरा लिख लेना detached, it should have approximate and direct nexus with the expression, the expressional thought should be intrinsically dangerous, या intrinsically ऐसे बना सकते हैं, intrinsically dangerous to the public interest. In other words, the expression should be inseparably, ये इधर से आता तो आर हो जाता, inseparably like the equivalent, L हाफ रहेगा, equivalent of a spark in a power promiscuous reading is necessary to the constituting of human nature. The alternate to keep out, या इसको ऐसे लिख देते हैं, to keep out evil doctrine, चाहे तो डॉक्ट्रिन ऐसे लगा दो या फिर डॉक्ट्रिन, by licensing is like the exploit of the gallant, it and what thought to keep out the crowds by shunting his park gate, अच्छा इतना ही है, गेट कुछ नहीं लिखना, park gate. Society must learn in favor of free लाइन करके बनता है free speech and expression. कितनी बार आएगा ये एक्सप्रेशन, तो ऐसे भी होता है एक्सप्रेशन, इसमें हुक नहीं बनेगा बस कोई, एक्सप्रेशन एंड कोर्स must be very cautious while upholding restrictions, लाइन के नीचे बनाना, imposed on grounds of notations such as decency, I guess ये decency or morality साइड में आएगा यार. The production of wealth, as economists put it, consists in the creation of utilities. Consumption consists in the act के लिए डॉट लगाना पड़ेगा, in the act of taking such advantage of the commodities and services produced as constitutes and utilization thereof. ये आपको एक साथ ही लिखना पड़ेगा, thereof ये वर्ड इकट्ठा है. thereof for each commodity there is ordinarily what is generally considered to be the final act of consumption तो इकट्ठा लिख देना, of consumption for some commodities there may be even more than one kind of final consumption. It may even happen in such cases that after one kind of final consumption नहीं, ये तो वापिस लिख दिया, आ गया फाइनल कंजम्पशन. मोर देन वन काइंड भी आ चुका पहले. आफ्टर वन कंज्यूमर हैज परफॉर्म्ड, एफ ऑफ अदर रखेंगे, परफॉर्म्ड part of the final act of consumption, another portion of the final act of consumption may be performed by his heir or successor in charge. successor in interest है, successor in interest, a transferee or everyone who has obtained possession by wrongful means, but the fact that there is for each commodity which may be considered ordinarily to the final act to be the final act of consumption, ये इकट्ठा ही लिखना बार बार आ रहा है, of consumption takes place, the commodity may pass through different stages of production, and for such different stages there would exist one or more intermediate act of consumption. It is attempted to give a conceptual, या सीधा लिख देना conceptual, यू यहाँ लगा देना, backup to the proposal of stringent measures and a legal mechanism to be adopted to caution the policy, the privacy right which has received so little consideration, attention है little consideration नीचे है little attention, या पूरा लिख रहे हैं little attention in India, it is of utmost importance that before delving into the question as to what rights are being infringed, a preliminary inquiry है, अब देना जाएगा, inquiry into the necessity of such probing be made, and why the violation of right to privacy is being considered today with increased anxiety is it that we were not concerned about our right to privacy before the information technology age, the technology age, or is it that such rights were not being witnessing various inventions coming up, making our lives easier. ये लाइन कट के बनेगा easier. Many developments that took place in the communication sector, the technological revolutions in this sector have made it possible for the people to communicate क्या हाफ रहेगा among themselves transcending boundaries. Boundaries. There are no impediments in communications. There were even marriages held across the telegraphic lines with the priest on the one side and the couple on the other side of the line. दोस्तों ये लीगल डिक्टेशन एक्सरसाइज नंबर 28 की आउटलाइन थी. इसमें कुछ हार्ड वर्ड भी थे जिनको आपका बार बार अभ्यास करना पड़ेगा. यदि आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए तो आप हमसे कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. इसी तरह की आउटलाइन प्राप्त करने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तथा वीडियोस को लाइक एवं शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.